It's your boy Nature, aka Nature Gang. Alright, gang, so we're back for another video. Alright, so I just got out of a sell for gold again for 916 USD. Alright, so I'm going to be breaking that down right now. Alright, so gang. Alright, so gang, you already know we already have it marked up from earlier today. It's the same trade, just basically same formation, went back down to 1780 before heading back up now. It's heading back up. But you can see it went back down. I'll show you right now. Go to the 4-hour, right to the 4-hour. You can see for this 4-hour, it wicked it. It was up and went all the way back up. It retested back up. On the 4-hour, you can see it retested all the way back up to 1785 before heading back down to until heading back down to 1781, basically 1780, around that area, around this area right here, before it heading back up to that area. Price went to this area right here. Price went to this area right here, around this area, boom. Okay, right to this area, around that area, boom. And okay, that's who we were looking for, right? So going to the 4-hour, I got out a little early. I got out at 1781. I believe it was 17. Where did I get out at? 1782.89. I got out as soon as it started wicking. As you can see, it's wicking back up now. Since that 1782 basically went all like I said, price won't always go down. You have to see what price is doing. Price won't always go down to 1780. It'll go right to 1781, 1780, 82, right 1782.09 or 1781.63. Sometimes it won't go right down to an even 1780, but that is what we know, that the banks like even numbers. So they like 1780, like 1790. All right, so let's go down to the 1-hour to see how that really played out. So boom, you can see price went back up. It was a trade we was in earlier. You can see the uptrend still there. This is a trade went earlier. As soon as it started wicking, it made this double bottom. Price went back up, wicked it all the way back up to 1785 before what? Coming back down to 1780, 81, almost 1780. Okay, just the area of interest that price will bounce off of or get close to it before heading back up. Okay, so let's go down to the 15 so we can really see, and the minute and the 5 minutes so we can really see what's going on. Like I said, I hold this trade for about an hour, 2 hours at top. It's more like an entry day trading. It's like 2 to 5 hours. It was kind of more like entry day trading. The day's almost over. Remember, the banks closed at 5, so the market closed at 5 p.m. too. So boom, as you can see, we got in at 1784. So let's put 1784 and draw the horizontal ray. At 1784 actually. We got in at 1784 .42. Okay, so this is our horizontal ray right here. Just draw the crossing line. Go to the coordinate. Change the coordinates to 1784. Okay, so 1785 is really, like I said, it likes that's the midpoint between 1790 and 1780 and 1785. So we could put 1785 just so it'll be better for y'all to see. Like price will literally go to 1785. Boom, where did it go to? 1785 before wicking back down. It went back up. It wicked it all the way back up to damn near 1786, 1785, around that area. Like I said, price won't always go to that area, always go all the way up to directly to 1785, but it'll go close to that area. I got in right at 1785, right? So I got in right about here. Right about here, I got in right about this time right here. I'm trying to make this video fast. I got in right here, pretty much right around this area. Boom, got in right around that area right there, 1785. I went down, went back up. I was in a negative. I'm an aggressive trader. All right, a more conservative trader will wait for price to break through completely before they would have got in. I'm more of an aggressive trader. I got in soon as I seen it started wicking back down. I seen confluences. Um, like I said, here goes your trend line right here. You can draw another trend line right here. That's your trend line. Boom, from point A to point B, 2 points right here. Boom, 2 points. Once price broke the trend line, boom, what do? You get in. You get in for a sell. So that's what we did, right? Got in for a sell. You can see right here, boom. It was in the uptrend. It retested. This was the previous downtrend that we were in earlier. That made 1,330 with gold earlier this morning. That trade was over. It retested this area right here, this area of support, this support right here, 1780, and it went back to what? 1785, really to 1786, 1787 before what? Heading back down to what? 1780, 1781, around that areas. I was an aggressive trader, right? I got in kind of like 1785, 1784. I was in a negative for a little bit. I knew I could hold it. Okay, depending on your lot size, I used $2 lot sizes for mine. I had $2 sales on it for a lot size. Depending on your lot size, that could have been 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, depending on your lot size, how much money you had in your account. So a couple hundred. So it got to that uptrend right here. Boom, soon as it broke, soon as we seen price break, it retested. It retested right off of the 1780. It retested. I knew it was going to retest and head back down the overall trend, because the overall trend was a downtrend. Okay, so it's going down for the day. So same thing for the 1 minute. You can see it right here, clear as day. Boom. You can see it right here. This was the uptrend right here. Boom. This was the previous uptrend right here. Boom. Previous uptrend. It broke through. What we do? We got in for sale. Same thing. It retested right here. On the 1 minute. It retested right here. Retested. Boom. It went up. It went up right here. Boom. All the way to 1770. 1787. 1785. Around that area. That's between. Price likes to go to 1785, 1780, 1790. Okay, that's how the key levels, that's how the banks trade. And went all the way up to that level. Boom. What did we do? We seen price after it went to that level, 1786, 1785. Boom. What did price do? It went back down. It went back down. What did it make? It made it. You see, once I seen it started wicking, made this shooting star. Made this triple candlestick pattern, which is a triple candlestick pattern, like a three soldier pattern. That's what it's called, three white soldier pattern. Once it made that pattern, it made that wick. I got back in. Once it got off, another way you can look at it is it retested off of the 85 level. It retested once it retested, went to 85, and went back down to 1780. Made a what? It made a higher high right here. Look, you knew it was in the uptrend because you knew it was a retest. It made a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then what? Lower low. It made a lower high, lower low, lower high right here, little lower high right here, lower low. Went all the way back down to 1783, then went back up to 1784, made a lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, so we know that lower highs and lower lows means that you're in a downtrend, and higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher higher means that you're in the uptrend. All right, so that's how we knew. It made another higher high right here. It wicked it right here. When you see a lot of wicks, that means that price doesn't what? It doesn't want to go up any further once you see wicks. So that gives you another confluence, another sign that you can get in for sales now, or you can get in for buys now once you start seeing price starting to wick in that direction, whatever direction is wicking in. So wicking at the top, now you know the price doesn't want to go any further. And then it drops back down to hell fast. Boom. Then goes back up, drops back down, goes back up, drops back down, boom. Goes back up, drops back down, boom. Okay, so this is how I got in for this trade. Okay, for the 1 minute, you can see it clear as day. 5 minute, same thing. Same thing. Made a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Same thing. Okay, so this one to show y'all again, this is how I make my money. On the 15, you can see same thing. All right, so gang, I hope this video helped. Like I said, price won't always go down to the area. It'll go right to the area before heading back up. All right, so now we're trying to see what price is going to do for the rest of the day.